But here's the problem. There's the water meter, and the zone is fully open. That thing should be spinning like crazy, and it's not. And that tells me that puppy's grabbing the pipe and squishing it. The city of Fort Lauderdale came out and told this customer that the pressure to his house is great, 65 PSI. And all of the pipes and everything in the house are working like they should. Toilets are flushing, the shower is running like it should, the sink, dishwasher, all of that is working great. And the reason why that's happening is because the pipe that's going inside of the house is about that big. And if that tree behind me is grabbing the 1-inch pipe that's traveling to the house to bring the water to the irrigation system is pinched and only putting out that much water, well then that's why the water in the house is working perfectly fine and the sprinkler system is doing this. All right, we're gonna manually open this and listen to the flow. Sounds to me like the water is just pouring into this valve. It's not flowing into it with high volume and pressure.